If your Office uninstaller keeps failing, you're not alone. If your license is still stuck, you're in the right place. Let's fix it together. First, deactivate your Office license. For Microsoft 365, log in at account.microsoft.com, go to Installs, and sign out of your device. If you have a one-time purchase like Office 2019, use command prompt as admin, type script ospp.vbs/diastatus to find your license, then remove it with script ospp.vbs/unkeyxx. Next up, uninstall Office. Open Settings, head to Apps and Features, find Microsoft Office and hit Uninstall. Or use Control Panel under Programs and Features. Want a deeper clean? Download the Microsoft Uninstall Support tool from Microsoft's site. It removes every leftover file. If you skip the tool, manually delete leftover folders in program files and with caution, remove Office-related entries in the registry editor. Finally, restart your computer. And you're done. Office and its license are completely gone.